lights, please. I can't see the do it pretty well. First of all, I just want to see those hands whoever have watched Delhi Belly. How many of you guys have watched Delhi Belly? Yeah, kind of everyone. How many of you know the song Bhag Dike Bose? Can I see those rock horns up? Are you ready to jump along with us with the song Bhag Dike Bose?
मुझसे बोला तू गलती है मेरी तुझ पे जिंदगानी गिलती है मेरी साबुन की शक्ल में बेटा तू तो निकला केवल जार 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 पक 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 ओ माय गॉड लग गई क्या से क्या हुआ
Can I hear you guys? साबुन की शक्ल में
बेटा तू तो निकला केवल जार 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 भाग के बोझ के बोझ के बोझ भाग के बोझ के भाग भाग के बोझ के बोझ के बोझ भाग के बोझ के भाग ए निया भाग के बोझ के भाग भाग के बोझ के बोझ के
Louder, louder.
Kilo mon gili ko de kande da bo do ro gili gili de kana ko mon gili ko de kande da bo do মুখ আহিবা তোমাৰ মাজতে বহুত দিন Let's try something new. Northeast! I can't hear you.
A little bit different one from my side. Yeah, the lights please on the crowd. A little bit different from my side. Johnny, Johnny, eating sugar, telling lie.
Open your mouth.
That's right.
মুখ আহিবা তোমাৰ মাজতে বহুত দিন এই চৰাই হোৱা হ'লে এই ভাত হোৱা হ'লে বাতিটো মই হয়ে এই উৰি গ'লোহেঁতেন দুৱালে বাকী লৈ মন গিলি কান্দে ডাবৰ দৰৰ গিলি গিলি বেগেনা মন গিলি কান্দে ডাবৰ দৰৰ গিলি গিলি বেগেনা মন গিলি কান্দে ডাবৰ দৰৰ গিলি গিলি বেগেনা মন গিলি কান্দে ডাবৰ দৰৰ গিলি গিলি বেগেনা
Big shout out to all the sponsors of today's event for their kindness and for supporting us all throughout. A big round of applause to our title sponsor, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, for their support. We'd also like to thank our music partner, Ace Audio Junction, our media partner, IndianMusicMug.com, our associate partner, Poptails, and barbecue partner, Barbecue Nation. A special thanks to EvenJugaad.com. With this, we come to the end of the first event of Pyrokinesis 2016, Penta Symphony. I would like to call upon one member of each band upstage. All the band members.
The members of all the bands, please come up on stage. The members, please come up on stage first.
The members of each band, we request you to come up stage.
This is the first time we have done this, and that's all I have. Thank you very much.
Hello everybody. Good evening. Aur ki ko bhale lagile. আচ্ছা এটা কথা সুধো বাকি ভাল থ্যাংক ইউ আপোনালোকে এনজয় কৰিছে নে নাই বাছ সেইটোৱে লাগে থেংক ইউ বাকী ভাল
বিলাকক পাৰফৰ্ম কৰি সদায় ভালেই লাগে চব বেণ্ডে ভালেই বজাইছে ভাল লাগিছে আহি পেলাই চ' আমি এনজয় কৰিছোঁ হোপ আপোনালোকেও এনজয় কৰিছে থেংক ইউ
Last but not the least, Northeast Diaries.
Well, check. I think that clears out all. Okay, anyways, respected jury, thank you the crowd. It was a great experience from our side. And this is my first time actually on AEC, though I'm the local from, have you guys heard the name Satmail, I guess? So this is my first time in AEC Pyrokinesis, and it was a hell lot of fun, man. Hell lot of fun. Can I hear some noise? Can I hear a cheer? Okay, fine. That's enough.
Sir, that was really awesome. Now we'd like to hear a few words from you, sir.
For inviting me over to just this beautiful event. I've been coming to this pyrokinesis since last 4 years, and I have always been a part of this event. So, love you, AC. Thank you.
Wonderful time along with you. It's been a great event. It's been a long time since I've been here. I was here, I don't remember, many years back to judge pyrokinetics. It was a rock contest. Twice I've been here. So it's great to be back here. What can I say? I have got Northeast. Okay, they are the best band. Congratulations. Huh?
Make some noise for them, please. A big round of applause, AC. Come on. Woo!
The second prize goes to Purple Roots. Congratulations. Yeah, here's the prize.
A big round of applause for them.
Announce is the Best Musician Award, which goes to I don't have his name right here. The guitarist from Northeast Diaries. Great guitaring, keep it up. Say, like I've made a note of a few things. For Northeast Diaries, I wrote it'll be nice to have some more good modulation on the vocals. Who's the vocals? Yeah, so you can keep that in mind. And very positive attitude, great performance. Yeah, that's it. Congratulations. And for Purple Roots, bass guitar was the best performance actually for Purple Roots. Very good. You played tight bass, and also the bass was good for Northeast. And keep it up. It's nice. Then what else? There's just one more thing I'd like to say. In overall, this was a fusion contest, but there was nothing like fusion that we could hear. It has been more of indie pop type of thing. So fusion means the blending of two genres. It's not that you sing a song full of rock music with Hindi vocals. That does not make it fusion. So in future, if any of you go outside to compete in any band, in any contest, please make sure that you do a perfect blending of music. Okay? And Vibjor, anyway, I also congratulate you all, where you guys, AEC, you got a lot of studies to do, I understand. But you need more practice. And yours was a compilation of medley. It was not fusion. Anyway, that's all I got to say. Thank you. All the best to all of you.
So now I request the members of